Date, date. Bow, bow. Hot, hot. Fly, fly. Toe, toe. Knot, knot. Side, side. Steal, steal. Did you know that 90% of English learners make this mistake? Don't be one of them. This bread is moldy. Moldy means there is green or white fuzzy stuff growing on it. This milk is spoiled. We use spoiled with drinks or milk when they taste sour or smell bad. This apple is rotten. Right, we use rotten with vegetables and fruits. And subscribe for more. Object, object. Record, record. Present, present.
Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket means to die. I. Hole, hole. Here, here. Blue, blue. Dolphin, porpoise. Turtle, turtles. Lizard, salamander. Crocodile, alligator. Flexible, rigid. Shallow, deep. Generous, selfish. Brave, cowardly. Bad apple, bad apple. Lazy, bones, lazy bones. Sly, fox, sly fox. Die, die. Steal, steal. Peace, peace. Allowed, allowed. I have a few friends or I have few friends. Which one is correct? We use both of them to talk about quantities, but here is the key difference. I have few friends sounds more negative, not enough friends. I have a few friends sounds positive, but not many friends. So, to remember them, if you equal enough, few equal not enough. Guava, fig, kiwi, mango, watermelon, pineapple, papaya, coconut. Light, house, lighthouse. Fire, place, fireplace. Hot, dark, hot dog. The sun rises, the sun rises. Peace of mind, peace of mind. Ice cream, ice cream.
Burning the midnight oil.
Burning the midnight oil?
Burning the midnight oil.
Burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night.
Blessing in disguise.
A blessing in disguise.
A blessing in disguise?
Yeah.
A blessing in disguise means something good that seems bad at first.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake means something very easy to do.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Cat's out of the bag.
Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal the secrets.
It's cost me an arm and a fucking leg.
Air conditioners cost an arm and a leg.
This is cost y'all an arm and a leg, huh?
Cost us an arm and a leg means very expensive.
Let's hit the hay.
I'm gonna hit the hay.
Hit the hay?
Hit the hay means to go to the bed. One time I told my teacher I'm hot and it was so embarrassing. So I was in class, it was really hot and I was waiting and I wanted to say I feel warm, but instead I said I'm so hot right now. My teacher started laughing and my classmates looked at me like what? And I was so confused. Then I realized I'm hot doesn't mean I feel warm. It also means I'm very good looking. So basically I told the whole class, hey everyone, I'm so attractive. It was so embarrassing. Have you ever made an English mistake like this? Let me know in the comments. What is this? Tape measure. Yeah. This one? Drill. Yeah. What about this one? Ladder. Yeah. Last one. Pliers. Yeah. And this one? Let me know in the comments. Hope, hopeless. Care, careless. Fear, fearless. Power, powerless. Night, mare, nightmare. Door, bell, doorbell. Hair, cut, haircut. Thumb, tack, thumbtack. I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea.
Yeah, it's not really my cup of tea.
Not my cup of tea.
Can you help me? Could you give me a hand?
Luke, could you give me a hand?
MJ, could you give me a hand?
I'm very happy. I'm over the moon.
Oh, no, God, I'm over the moon.
I'm just over the moon.
Well, I am. I'm over the moon.
Desert, desert. Rain, rain. Soul, soul. Lone, lone. This bread is moldy. Moldy means there is green or white fuzzy stuff growing on it. This milk is spoiled. We use spoiled with drinks or milk when they taste sour or smell bad. This apple is rotten. Right, we use rotten with vegetables and fruits. And subscribe for more. Stern, laughing. Trendy, traditional. Confident posture. Slouched. Sugar, daddy. Sugar daddy. Lip, stick, lipstick. Water, melon, watermelon. Cocoa, nut, coconut. Jelly, beans, jelly beans. Ice, pop, ice pop. Toffee, apple, toffee apple. Weak, weak. Accept, accept. Break, break. Compliment, compliment. You, you. Vain, vain. Wait, wait. Male, male. Waste, waste. Pray, pray. Stare, stare. Meet, meet. Though, tough. Live, live. Close, close. Wind, wind. Which, which. Great, great. Beat, beat. Allowed, allowed.
Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket means to die. Toe, toe. Knot, knot. Side, side. Steal, steal. Toe, toe. Knot, knot. Side, side. Steal, steal. Object, object. Record, record. Present, present.